The only reason the media is involved in this, and the only reason the media and the public knows about this, is because the Taiwan embassy made a request to our ministry and the Ministry of Foreign Affairs with respect to this gentleman and the fact that he was asking for some protection as a citizen of Belize. When it came to my desk, I recognized that there must be something wrong. And we were the ones who initiated that investigation and went promptly to the Honorable Prime Minister, who, after he looked at it, promptly, within a day, decided to remove Mr. Penna from the cabinet. That must be given some recognition. Ousted from the cabinet of Belize. We continued our further internal investigations and found out that there were lots of other things that were not the way they should have been and not the way a minister should have behaved. The government took the decision to distance him in the House. He is distanced in the House. Lord, man, never happened in the history of the British Commonwealth. Never happened in Belize before. You got to give some credit to that. So to say nothing happened. The Prime Minister can't put him out the House. You all know that. He has to be removed either by a recall or by something else. What the public is concerned about is how come no charges have been laid against Minister Penna yet. But not investigating Minister Penna. Nobody wants to investigate. It has been thoroughly investigated. And that issue of charges being laid is a matter for the police and the DPP. So we want to make that crystal clear. And if charges are laid against Minister Penna, then he has to face the music. Minister Penna signed the nationality certificate. He has the authority to do that, you know. There is nothing wrong with signing nationality certificate. Minister Penna signed a picture saying, I certify that this is a true likeness of so-and-so. There's nothing wrong with that, you know, because guess what? We don't know that he don't know that man. That would have to be proved in court. I don't know that he didn't know Mr. Kim. I don't know that. That has to be proven in a court. So to say that he signed that is an offense is something that has to be proven in court. The fact that he signed a nationality certificate, he had the authority to sign a nationality certificate. The fact that the nationality certificate was predated to the time that it's signed is an issue. But somebody in court, some forensic expert has to prove that that was his handwriting who put that date on it. So those are the intricacies of taking a case to court. You will hear the Prime Minister said legal guilt and factual guilt are two different things. It could smell bad, look bad, and people could draw their conclusions. But Lord, man, we are all aware of so many cases that have gone to the court and walked on.